Divine Adili is coming back home today. Jill Sebandal is on the phone to tell us the final details on the repatriation of his remains. Go ahead, Jill.
George, Adili's remains are scheduled to be transported back to Nigeria today at 2 p.m. Meanwhile, a relative of Divine Adili was seen arriving at Arlington but avoided members of the media and did not provide any statement. Solomon Okereke, a friend of Divine Adili, made an emotional appeal for people to stop spreading misinformation and AI-generated image out of respect for the family of the late athlete. Ateneo de Manila University President Father Roberto Bobby C. Yap also declined to issue a statement when approached by members of the media. Father Yap was seen avoiding questions from reporters and immediately boarding a vehicle without providing any comment. The brief encounter, George, also took place as journalists sought response regarding the matter, drowning public attention. Despite repeated attempts to obtain comments, no remarks were given before they left the area. For now, we're currently waiting for further details and information from Adili's family and friends. And a while ago, George, Prince Ezzy was also seen entering Arlington's premises. George?
Well, Jill, why is there a concern about misinformation? Can you please talk about more about the AI-generated images in this case?
George, according to Divine's friend, Solomon Okereke, he mentioned that the spread of unverified information and AI-generated images has caused additional distress for the family during this difficult time. And he also appealed to the public to be responsible when sharing content online to respect the privacy and dignity of the late athlete and his loved ones. George?
Well, Jill, apart from the university president who refused to answer questions, was there any reaction from university officials regarding the situation?
As of this time, George, there has been no official statement from the university officials. Ateneo de Manila University President Bobby was approached by media, but he then declined to issue a statement. And yesterday, one of the members also of Ateneo de Manila University routed us to the website of Ateneo de Manila for further updates. But for now, George, there's no updates so far.
Well, thank you for that update. Jill Sebandal reporting.